Fuji and Huawei Technology Co., Limited, specializing in mold and moisture prevention, humidity control for over 20 years. With vertically integrated production and about 20,000 square meters of facilities, we operate at significant scale. Our injection molding workshop features varied molds and fully automated, efficient production lines. The entire process, from raw material to initial form, is precisely controlled. Packaging and self-adhesive labels are produced through integrated printing, laminating, and slitting, ensuring full quality control and traceability. In our dedicated bag-making workshop, raw materials are converted into dehumidifier bags, with heat sealing enhancing their barrier performance. Precisely formulated contents are filled into inner pouches via an automated system. Outer packaging is completed synchronously on the assembly line for efficient finished products. Our core product dehumidification box benefits from seamless, fully automated cross-workshop coordination. As a one-stop custom manufacturer, we enforce strict quality control through first article inspection and lab testing, delivering high performance, stable humidification, dehumidification products for B2B and B2C clients.